Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is my Boxy charm and it's here. It's a small box, but I'm going to open it. Okay, I didn't open it yet. Now I need to find something to open it. Oh boy. Okay, let's try this. Let's try opening this thing because I need to see what's in there. I just forget to cut it open. It arrived and I'm like excited. My Boxy charm has arrived. Let me open it and then we can see what's in there. This is October 2021 Boxy charm. This is the size of the box. Now I just unstuck this and we open. This is it. I'm filming on my phone today. Okay, Boxy charm says Spellbound for October. Spellbound. Yeah. Okay. We have items in here. I need to get my glasses. Okay, there are there are 5 products as usual. My box usually comes to $26.75. And it is Spellbound for Halloween. Now I can see better that I have my glasses on. So, okay, this is what my box is looking like. Ooh, the box is looking fabulous. Okay, this is what my box is looking like. Now let's see what we get in there. Quick video because I gotta go somewhere. Okay, first thing out of the box I pull out is Tat Wink. It says Wink of H2O vegan collagen eye cream, and that's for $35, and you can get that at Tat Cosmetics. And this is what it looks like. I can't even tell which one is the top. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the top of the box. Let me bring it closer. I can find I'm not on my camera, so closer. This is it. Now let's see what this is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I am not going to open this now because I have 2 eye creams going on. So this is the first item, and again that is $35. Expensive, but it's a for collagen eye cream, so we'll see. The next thing I'm pulling out, I'm not going in any order, is the Camara Unique Beauty, and these are lashes, and this is the Camara Unique Beauty Mary Lash is $25, and I gotta open it for you. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. So this is what they look like. Hopefully I'm not holding it upside down. So this is it. Now the third thing, I'm gonna leave that for last. Okay, let's go. Next one is a Peel Adhesive Liquid Liner Jet Black. That is $29. This is the liner. Felt tip. So that's good. I can use another one. Now the next thing in here says TYNT Lash and Brow Duo. I don't know who is TYNT, but TYNT Lash and Brow Duo is $29. I can't open nothing today. I guess I'm too excited to see what I get. This is what it looks like. You gotta remember to bring closer because it's not the camera. It almost fall. Okay, so this is brow. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is brow. That's the color. Brown. It's a brown. I can use that. And it shows you the color right there. And then for the lash, it's black. And it unscrews. Okay. Mascara. This is pretty. I have no mirror. I am just going by nothing. I am going by nothing. So I don't know if I'm even getting it done properly. No mirror, but I'm okay with it. So this is this. Now I need to put my glasses because the last thing that's in there is like Ace Beauty. It's packed like this. It's Ace Beauty. It's Ace Beauty Falling For You. And it is a palette. Oh yes. Yeah, a palette. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah. Wow. This is it. This is Ace Beauty Falling For You. How cute. And that palette is $34.99. Ooh. While I'm looking at this, it felt heavy, and I look and it's a breaking news. BoxyCharm is having a huge sale. Take a look. Wow. Okay. Boxy Beauty Bash. Don't miss this. Drop Shop. They used to call it the add-ons, but now they changed the name to Drop Shop. That's what it says. Okay, so the Ace Beauty is $34.99. These are the colors. OMG, I need to play with some colors. Yeah, this is cute. Let's see what I can put on my eyes. I'm going out. I am on my way out. So let's see. Now I can't see anything. This is what I have. I have a liner and brow and a powder. But now with this, I can just fix something real quick. This looks cute. Which one do I want? Oh my God. All of it is pretty. Oh my. Okay. Something subtle. Right, give my liner a little bump. This is pretty. This palette is pretty. You know, I'll be doing looks with it, but I'm just doing this. I'm using a regular mirror, so God knows what it looks like. But I think this is a pretty palette, and that color is pretty. This is the residue that's left on my hand of that color. Again, the palette. Cute. That is it for my BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm, that is it. Box is empty. Nice palette, skincare, everything. I love everything, everything. And again, this is it. This is a quick video to let you know I got my BoxyCharm early this time. And the word for today is self-love. Self-love. Love self. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video filming on my phone. I'm having fun. I gotta go. I will talk to you all soon. Bye, bye, bye. Again,